Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are with a new question. Uh, if f of x is a linear function such that f of 2 is less than equal than f of 3 and f of 4 is greater than equal than f of 5 and f of 6 is equal to 10, which of the following must be true? There are four options. So let's start. We have a linear function. F of x is a linear function. So first of all, linear function is of that form: f of x is equal to mx plus c. You know that this is a linear function where m is a slope and c is the y-intercept. So now we are given that f of 6 is equal to 10. So from this, f of 6 will be equal to 6m plus c. So this is equal to 10. From this we have c is equal to 10 minus 6m. Okay, we have one relation. Also we have f of 2 is less than equal than f of 3. So we will substitute in this linear function f of 2, that is f of 2 is less than equal than f of 3. So this implies that f of 2, that is 2m plus c is less than equal than f of 3, that is 3m plus c. So students, from this we have, we will rearrange. So this is c is cancelled by c. So we have 0 is less than equal than 3m minus 2m, that is equal to m. Also we have f of 4 is greater than equal than f of 5, that is f of 4 is greater than equal than f of 5, implies that, so f of 4 will be equal to 4m plus c is greater than equal than f of 5 will be equal to 5m plus c. Okay, now we have 5m, f of 4 is greater than equal than this. So from here 0 is less than equal than m, because this is cancelled by this, we will shift 4m there. So m must be less than equal than. Now you have these two relation. So from here we have m is, let's write it again, m is greater than equal than 0 and m is less than equal than 0. So these two expressions will hold only, that is m is one time is greater than equal than 10 and also m is less than equal than 0, or m is greater than equal than 0. This is possible only when m is equal to 0. So we have m is equal to 0. If m is equal to 0, so from here c will be equal to 10 minus 0, that is equal to 10. So we have c is equal to 10, m is equal to 0. So this function f of x will become 10. Now you have to find which of the following must be true. Now we have a constant function. If we find f of 0 is equal to 0, so this is not possible, this is not the answer. F of 0 is greater than 10, no, f of 0 is equal to 10, so this is also not true. So f of 0 is equal to 10, that is the right answer. Delta is our right answer. So we had a linear function, which is f of x is a linear function, and we are given with these three conditions, that is f of 2 is less than equal than f of 3 and f of 4 is greater than equal than f of 5 and f of 6 is equal to 10. So we have to find out which of the following must be true. So our answer is f of 0 is equal to 10. Thank you very much.